kindergarten artists. I hope that you are excited to finish with your machine project today. Hopefully at this point you have your machine gone over with crayon and fully drawn, and you're ready to add some color to the background. Now for this project, I love to use watercolor for the background. The crayons kind of push the watercolor away. The watercolor won't stick to the crayon, so you'll still be able to see your machine really well. If you don't have watercolors at home, that's completely okay. You can either add color with crayon or you can turn it into me with a white background. That's completely fine. However, since we have watercolors right here, I'm going to add a background to mine. Something to remember before you paint your background: you have a really awesome drawing with all of these lines and shapes, and you don't want anything that's going to be too crazy in the background that's going to, make people not pay as much attention to your drawing. So I'm actually just going to use one color. I'm going to use red, probably more of a pink for my background, so people can see my drawing really, really well. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting. Remember, when you're using watercolor, of course, you need to wet your brush beforehand. You don't want it to be too drippy. I like to kind of wipe my brush on the edge right here before I go and pick up some color with my brush. And like I said, since I am only going to do one color for the background, I can start anywhere that I want. All right, so now that I have finished with my painting, I am going to put my project in a safe place so that it can completely dry. Once you are done painting, you'll want to do the same thing. And when your project is dry, you're gonna have mom or dad take a picture of it and submit it to Google Classroom so that I can see your awesome work. I can't wait to see your finished machines, everybody.